Don't you know that life is full of surprises? You better realize, better realize. Nobody knows what's in your soul and how your heart works. Nobody knows, nobody cares. It's time for you to live your life, yeah. You can do it right now. Oh, you can do it right now. You can do it right now, yeah. You can do it right now. You can do it right now. Now, right now, right now, right now. You can do it right now. Oh, you can do it right now. You can do it right now. You can do it right now. Everybody gives you advice, yeah, on how to live your life, how to live your life. Don't you know that life is full of surprises? You better realize, better realize. Nobody knows what's in your soul and how your heart works. Nobody knows, nobody cares. It's time for you to live your life, yeah. You can do it right now. Oh, you can do it right now. You can do it right now, yeah. You can do it right now. You can do it right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. You can do it right now.
You must be willing to do the things today others won't do, in order to have the things tomorrow others won't have.
Your input needs to be great. Your input needs to be above average, way above average, needs to excel, needs to be excellent, needs to be phenomenal, outstanding compared to what everybody else's is.
Action gets you the results. I'm working hard, I'm taking the right action, but I'm still not getting my results. And that's because you have certain beliefs there that are not facilitating long-term success.
You don't get those muscles by looking at the weights. You get those muscles by going under the weight and not stopping when it hurts. You stop when you can no longer recruit the muscles enough to move the weight. That's when you're done.